So here we have another quick unboxing video. This is just so we can have a closer look at some rear lights. These are a set of black Lexus style rear lights for the Citroen C2. We also do a crystal red and clear version, but this is quite a popular one we have in our range. So let's get these open and have a closer look. So as you can see, these will pack really well, ideal for when you're ordering these online. These are finished with a matte black inner. Obviously you've got your different coloured reflectors for your lights. The centre one is for reverse and indicator. These do accept the original bulb holders from your car, so they literally just click straight into place. This is just a piece of packaging just to protect the fixing bolt. These lights are fully E-marked, they are road legal, and they are also MOT compliant.